Good morning, students. 12th standard biozoology antibodies. So the antibodies are immunoglobulin. So Ig, immunoglobulin. So otherwise called in a Ig. It is a protein molecule. They are synthesized by when the antigen enter into the human body. When the antigens enter into the human body, our immune system, they are developed into immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin. So when the pathogen enter in our human body, so they are having a B lymphocytes. B lymphocyte cells. They produce the army of protein. So army of protein is called an immunoglobulin. Is called an antibody formation. They are secreted responsible for the antigen. Antigen means they have an Ag. So they have an antigen. So the 5 major categories of immunoglobulin. So based upon the physiological and biochemical properties, based upon the, so they have a physiological and biochemical properties. So the immunoglobulins are IgG. It means gamma. IgG is a gamma. IgM is called a mu. It's called a mu. IgA is called an alpha. Then IgD, so delta. IgE is called an epsilon. So based upon the physical and biochemical properties, so the immunoglobulins are, so the 5 type. IgG is a gamma, IgM is a mu, IgA alpha, IgD delta, IgE epsilon. Then in 1950, so they conducted the experiment by the 2 scientists. One is called Forter and Edelman. So they revolved the basic structure of immunoglobulin. So basic structure of, so the immunoglobulin. So the antibody molecules are capital Y-shaped structure. So the antibodies are capital Y-shaped structure. It comprises of a 4 polypeptide chain. So they consist of a 4 polypeptide chain. The 2 chain are heavy chain. So the 2 chains are light chain. So the heavy chain is called H, light chain is called L. So the light chain, so the molecular weight, the light chain, so they have a molecular weight is 25,000 Dalton. is a consist of so nearly 240 amino acids. Is a L chain. So the molecular weight is 25,000 Dalton. Is a consist of approximately 240 amino acids. Then they have in a H chain. So the molecular weight is 50,000 Dalton. So the approximately is made up of 450 amino acids. So these are the two chain. So the light chain molecular weight is 25,000 Dalton is made up of 240 amino acids. And the H chain, so the molecular weight is 50,000 Dalton is made up of 450 amino acids. 450 so amino acids. The two polypeptide chain so link together disulfide bond. It means SS bond. So the two polypeptide chain H chain and L chain is connected by two disulfide bond. And also, so the two long heavy chain is also they connected by two disulfide bond. Then, hence the antibody is represented as H2L2. H2, so they have in L2. Heavy chains are flexible. Here they have in it, so the heavy chains are flexible. Almost they have in it in middle of the chain. So they have in it, so the flexible at the middle of the chain. And here also they have in it light chain. So they are connected by SS bond. Here also connected SS bond. Here also connected SS bond. This means that they are having a disulfide bond. The each chain, H chain and L chain, both the chain, so they are having a two terminal. So first one is called a C terminal. So C terminal is being carboxylic terminal. So next terminal is called the N terminal. So the cabinet, so N terminal, it is called in a amino terminal. So both the chain, so they consist of a two terminal. One is called in a C terminal, another is called the N terminal. C means carboxylic terminal, and the amino end point. So both the two chain, each chain is a consist of a two region. Each chain is a consist of a two region. One is called a variable region. V region. It means they are having a variable region. So next one is called a C region. It is called a constant region. So they are having a two region. One is called a variable region. So another one is called a constant region. So what is the meaning of variable region? So the different antigen. So the antibody have the responsibility for the different antigen. So it is called a variable region. So based upon the antigen, the shape of the terminals become to change. So it is called a variable terminal or variable region. The constant regions, so almost in all the antibodies, So they occur almost in all the antibody. Each arms of the polypeptide chains are monomer, and they have been combined with. So the antigen is a combined with the antibody. The place is called in a fit. F-I-T, fit region. So they fit the antigen. So the C region, the stem of the antibody, so monomer, determine the antibody class, severe functions as well as the all the antibodies. So the functions of the immunoglobulin. So 4 functions. One is called in a agglutination, precipitation, appositation, and they have in a neutralization. So the 4 main functions of the antibody. So thank you very much, students.